Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have the Glitter Planet August mystery box. Now I wasn't gonna order this, but I thought, you know what, from my last one I was pretty disappointed, so I thought I would just give them another chance because I do love Glitter Planet glitters. I've got quite a few, and also I've got like a little collection going on of their acrylics. So I ordered the mystery box. I also ordered, I think, 2 glitters and a black glittery acrylic. So let's see. So I'm going to open this up. Upside down. God, how am I going to busy open this then? Here we go. Here we go. Oh shit. So it's too big for my under the camera. So you get this card. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. It's the box. Okay. I'm going to do it over here. See? I'm going to do it here because I can't do it under the camera. Let's take these little things away. That's it, yeah. Okay, let's start with this one. Yeah, she's got, I was watching her live, and she's got a couple of, I say a couple, she's got, I think there was three glitters that are new. So I just got 2 of them. So this is Start of Fall. It's this beautiful, you can't really see in the bag. Shall I get a, what do you call it? Get a tray, and I'll pour it out and show you. It's got some of them leaves in it. That would do. Let's get a little pokey poke. I'll just use the end of this. Look how beautiful it is. Really love that one. Okay. Did I say that was Start of Fall? And then this one is Barley. Love this colour, look. It's gorgeous. It's kind of like a peach, maybe. Peach and a goldish. I'm so bad at describing glitters. Okay, so this one's got, let me show you from here. It's got some of them iridescent leaves. And there's some pink ones and some matte white ones. I love this one. I think this one's my favourite. I thought the yellow one would be. But that's my favourite. Very beautiful. Now, when she was showing them on camera, you see the camera doesn't ever do glitters justice. But, yeah, this one is so much more beautiful in person. Right, and then I got this Odyssey acrylic. How many grams is it? I don't know. Maybe 10. Maybe 10 grams. Oh God. Don't know if you're going to see that. Let me. Beautiful. I will do a swatch. Do a quick swatch after. Right, let's move those there. And then open this beauty. I really hope this is a good one. Okay, let's put these in here. Okay, there's a little sneak peek. Alright, so it's on my lap. So let's move these. There. Okay, so firstly we got a buffer, 240, 240, and then, you know, one of the thick ones, and then this one, also 240, 240. Won't get them out because don't need them. Oh, got a tray. What the frick is that? I don't know. Is it a cuticle? I don't know. Let me know if you know what it is. Let me know. Okay. Ooh, cute. Got a palette. Let's open this up. That's cute. I really like that. The gold trim. Cute. There was a gel polish. Let's open you up. This one is called Kiss Me Quick. That's nice. It's like a peachy colour. Whoa. That's lovely. That's lovely. And then we got got some tips. Pre-pinched stilettos. 500. I think I've had these before. Let me get 2. Yeah. So that's what that looks like. And then so yeah. I mean, they're not as long as I'd want. But yeah, I'm happy with those. And then, what is that? Oh, that's cute. It's a pin. me move that 'cause I'm balancing it on my leg. I can't see what that says. Hang on. Nail Mate. Nail Mate Super Scraper. Oh, am I showing you? Oh, my camera ain't gonna focus on that. Hang on. There we go. That's cute. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but. And then, so I've got 3 glitters. So the first one is Allspice. I think I've got this one. Beautiful Plum. It is a fine. And then we have Enchanted Forest. Oh, this is them circles, like a teal and a bronze. That's really pretty. And then Temptation. Oh, this is one of them colour, like chameleon ones. Oh, I love that. And then lastly, we have an acrylic, which is metallic copper. That to me looks like kind of that colour. No. Let's have a little look. That is not a copper. That is a pink. Metallic copper. That is definitely not a metallic copper. Right, I'm going to do some swatches. Let me get myself set up and I'll be back. Okay, so I have done the swatches off camera just to save a bit of time. So I'm going to show you first the ones that I bought separately. So this is Odyssey, which is that black. I don't really think it's going to show up too much on camera. I don't think you're going to get to see it. It's got these beautiful glitter inside. Maybe I'll take a photo, it might show up better. So there was that one. Then, oh, I thought, oh dear. I thought that I would show you the swatches of the glitters. So the start of fall, I have to take my glasses off, which is this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, really, really pretty. And then, oh, the barley, which looks like this. It's so pretty. Really, really pretty. Love that. And then I'll show you the gel polish. So this is Kiss Me Quick. I mean, it's the same colour as the bottle. It's a beautiful peach. Love that. And then the glitters, which was Allspice. Looks like that. Gorgeous. And oops, this one, Enchanted Forest. I love this one. These two colours together look beautiful. Really, really pretty. And then Temptation, which looks like this. I thought this one was a chameleon, but it's not. Very pretty. And then the acrylic, which is metallic copper. Really, oops, that doesn't look like a copper, it's more of a pink. You know, copper is like more orangey, isn't it? This is just it's a pink. Maybe there was a wrong label or something stuck on it, but yeah. Right, let's move these swatches. We'll do a quick recap of what came in the August subscription box. So we've got 3 glitters, an acrylic, which is the metallic copper, the gel polish. We got a little pin, oops, little triangle dish, 2 buffers. This, I think maybe like a cuticle thing, I don't know. A little palette and some pre-pinched stiletto nail tips, which is 500 pieces. So if I paid the full amount, which was, I don't know, 40 odd quid, I would be a little bit disappointed. But because I think I paid 24 quid for this, I'm happy. I'm happy. But yeah, anyway, these are the goodies. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and you'll see me in the next one. Bye bye.